Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Hot Bella experience. In today's video, I am going to be trying on the lip products that I got from Melt. And this is the Bad Side Zodiac Lip Bundle. And I saw this online and it looks so interesting, so I was like, you know what? I like the lip products that come from Melt. I like Melt as a brand altogether, so I figured that I would give it a try. So in this bundle, you get 4 lip products. You get 3 of the Ultra Glaze lip glosses and 1 of the liquid lipsticks. And then it also comes with this really cute makeup bag. It's simply adorable. So we are going to be giving these a try today. Also, with the purchase of this bundle, I got a free gift, and it's a little mirror that has Melt on the back of it. Simply cute. I really like that. So the way this is supposed to work is this bundle comes with 1 liquid lipstick. This liquid lipstick is called Shade, S-H-A-D-E. And it looks like a black liquid lipstick. And I was so excited about receiving my package. However, I think that this may be one disappointing part about this purchase. This looks like a black lipstick, but look at this. This has no control cap on it, if you can see that. There's no control cap on it or anything. So this applicator just dips down in there freely. There's nothing to control the amount of product that I'm going to get on my little wand here. So I don't know if this is a defect or not, but I do plan on reaching out to Melt to ask them about this, because it helps to have a control tip, because as you are putting the applicator down into the package here and pulling it out, it helps to control the amount of product that gets on the little doe foot on the little applicator here. So this is not just a gooey mess. So I think this may be defective. Again, I'm going to reach out to Melt about this, but the overall concept is that you would apply this and then you apply one of the glosses on top and it gives you a totally different look. So that's what we're going to be trying out today. I'm going to remove my lip gloss and I'm going to apply this color Shade. Let's see what it does. All right, so this looks black and feels matte. Again, I gotta be really careful putting this on, because since there's no control gauge on here, it's like so much product on here. If I were just to go over my lips with what's on here, it would be a mess. So I'll just take my time here to get this shaped on my lips without overdoing it. Not bad, but we're going to put one of the lip glosses, we're going to put one of the lip glosses on top of it. The first one that we're going to put on top of this is Flare. Flare is a plumping lip gloss, and this is what Flare looks like. If you can see that, it looks really pretty. And see, this has the control type of cap on it that I was telling you guys about. You can see how it has like the little plastic that's stuck in there, the little plastic that's stuck in the center. So that way when you dip down into this and you pull it out, you don't just get this glob of product on the end. But this is Flare. So we're going to place this right on top of Shade. Ooh. Okay. All right. That's Flare. What do you guys think? This is a very bold lip. However, anything coming from Melt is not for the faint of heart. But this is really pretty. I think that you could definitely build a look around this. You know, we are in the fall and winter months, so you could very easily, you know, come up with a kind of vampy type of look that maybe is a little bit softer on the eye, where the lip is the star of the show. But yeah, I think this is pretty. It's very unique. It has like that purple kind of shift to it. This is a plumping lip gloss, so it does have that tingling sensation, or I'm feeling that tingling sensation on my lips. Let's try the next one. My lips are probably going to be screaming by the time this video is over. All right, we're going to add shade again. I've got to be super careful with this because this goes everywhere. And this one is called Rebel. This looks really pretty. Thankfully, it's got a control cap on it. Yes, thank you very much. This looks like a pink shimmer type of lip gloss. But once we put it on top of this black shade, oh, look at her. Okay. This has that green onyx gold type of shade to it. Very different, but still quite pretty. Again, for the fall months that are coming in, I love a bold lip. So maybe I can get these to work for me. But again, this is bugging me so much. That I can't get the precision that I want out of the liquid lipstick, that it won't just go on my lips, but still, it's on there. And this is the shade Rebel. What do you guys think? I'm gonna try the next shade, so I'll take this off. All right, going back in with the black shade. Again, that's the actual name of this liquid lipstick. It's called Shade. And now for the final lip gloss. This shade is called Attitude. It does have the control stopper in here. This lip gloss is really thick too. It's a thick consistency. The formula is very thick. Ooh. Ooh, that is pretty. Wow, this is pretty. It's bold, but it's still quite pretty. This shade is called Attitude, and it's making me feel like I want to give some attitude. This is simply gorgeous. I love this. And I love these because I feel like I can create a look around them. You know, I'm always focusing on my eyes. We all love eyeshadow palettes, right? So it would be good to maybe have that look, right, where you've got a really simple eye look and you've got maybe some dramatic lashes, have a nice wing going on, and pop on one of these lips, girl, and that's all she has to say. And wow, this is really pretty. Very pretty. What do you guys think? So this was just a quick lip try on video. So I'm curious to know what you guys think about these lip products from Melt. Do you think they are too bold, or are you like me thinking, okay, what look can I create around these lips? I think this is absolutely gorgeous. I think it's unique. I think these lips are definitely making a statement. This is looking really pretty. I love this one. This is probably my favorite one, I think. So I hope you guys found this little try on video helpful. Melt has released some new products. Do you plan on picking up anything from Melt during this holiday season? Are you picking up anything from the Zodiac collection? Let me know in the comments below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.